Hello, everybody. We are back at the connector elevators at the King of Prussia Mall. King of Prussia Mall. What used to be right there was a dress store, I think. We'll see if it's still there on the middle level. But it was on the upper level as well, I believe. That used to be the Mitchell Golden Bob Williams furniture store. There's the UPS grabbing other stuff, grabbing her stuff, loading them down the elevators. She's using the other one, I'm using this one. There's two elevators on this bank, but I ain't riding both of them. There's a friend of security say hi. On a Friday afternoon, early Friday afternoon, the mall isn't super busy, so it'd be a good time to film if you can. We are at LL. These replaced a a vintage Montgomery elevator that was around some corner. I don't know exactly where it was. Let's watch this indicator. Actually, let's see if we can do a dual indicator. And we're stopping at ML. If it's a big cart or something, we're good now.
Do you want Chick-fil-A? Okay. What would you like from Chick-fil-A? Elevator. Do you think some mac and cheese? Yes. Yeah? Some nuggies too? Thank you. Thanks. That's a love you.
Actually, let's get out up here because I want to go into Gap up here and film that elevator. There it goes, and that'll be it.